हाय दीप.
हाय.
थोडं पाछळ द्या. दीप तर
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true.
Hello everyone. So I know you guys don't know me, but I am Dia, friends with the Waves, and today I am here to host a quiz round for them. So they are unaware about what I'm going to ask them, and they are going to answer me. So let's go. Hi guys.
Hi.
हाय.
Hi. Okay, so I've already introduced myself to your subscribers, and now I will introduce you to the topic, which is how well do you know the 90s era?
Watch Cartoon Network and Pogo all the time with Deep. Deep was my constant all the time. We used to watch it together. We used to watch Dragon Tales, Oswald. I think so there was something called as Tiny TV or something that used to come at 1 p.m. and we used to be hooked to the TV and
Remember, SPD Power Rangers. So I still remember there was a time when I and Isha we both used to fight, and there was one more thing. We used to call it as a yo-yo kind of thing. There was a role and we used to play like this, and it used to go down and up. So we used to fight for that thing.
Do you know we used to get sweet cigarettes? If you know Phantom ka sweet cigarettes we used to get. So I don't think that exists anymore. I mean, I used to love that, and in our 90s we used to, all the kids knew, okay, what are the Phantom cigarettes or sweet cigarettes we used to call them. So that is my favorite thing, which we don't get it now at all, anywhere. I don't even think today's kids might be knowing it.
So, in which year did Friends series premiere?
in which year did the Friends series? I think it had 10 seasons and it ended in 2002 if I'm not wrong. I think so 1994.
Guess it is 1992 something.
I think it was the 1993. I rough guess.
What? Oh shit.
Shit. So the thing is, I have never watched Friends, so I don't remember the date. So yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god.
Oh damn! I tried.
So let's go to the next question, and that is add sentence that you would have to complete the jingle. Okay, it's very simple. Surakshit Kale Mere Baal, and complete the jingle.
वह स्मॉल ने किया कमाल.
वह स्मॉल ने किया कमाल.
West Mall ने किया कमाल.
This used to be on our TV channel all the time. The same thing again and again.
सुरक्षित काले मेरे बाल बस मॉल ने किया कमाल.
I can never forget this.
I'm hopping on to the next question, that is, for storing information and, move certain things from one computer to another, in 90s, we used to use a disk. So I would like to give you 3 options, and you can tell which disk was used back in 90s. Was it a hard disk, a CD, or a floppy disk?
CDs, I guess.
Floppy disk.
Storing information from one computer to another. CD. I've never used anyway, so I just guess. I used to use a thing called pen drive.
So I'll say a dialogue and you'll have to guess it from which movie that dialogue was from. Okay? जब ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ किसी पे पड़ता है तो आदमी उठा नहीं उठ जाता है. दामिनी, second border, third Jeet.
And first, I think it will be border.
Order.
Hey, this is that movie where that song is also there, na? Soldier, soldier. I'll go with border. I think, I don't know, the second option.
I didn't know about this one. I couldn't even guess it.
Damini. I thought so. Damn.
Come on, say the jingle for Vico turmeric cream that we used to listen.
Vico turmeric. Vico turmeric, nahi cosmetic. Vico turmeric Ayurvedic cream. स्नीन मुहासों को जड़ से निगाहे, हल्दी चंदन के गुण इसमें समाये, त्वचा की रक्षा करे आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम. विको टर्मरिक आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम.
Vico turmeric, nahi cosmetic. Vico turmeric, WSO cream. What? क्रीम मुहासों को सर से मिटाए, त्वचा की रक्षा करे आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम. Vico turmeric, WSO क्रीम.
खीर मुहासों को जड़ से मिटाए, त्वचा की रक्षा करे, त्वचा की रक्षा करे आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम. Vico turmeric आयुर्वेदिक क्रीम.
Thank you.
The first social networking site that 90s kids used to be on during 90s.
Is it Facebook?
Facebook.
Facebook.
When I was the one who started Facebook when I was in 6th grade, I guess.
WhatsApp was there, but then I think it became famous a little later. That time people used to use a lot of Facebook and that friend request.
So can you name at least 2 horror serials that used to come on daily television show?
आहट first. Second is Shh, फिर कोई है.
One was Khilona Bana Khalnayak, I guess. And the second one was Ahat.
I think one for sure is फिर कोई है और कोई है. I think that was in the 90s. Oh, the other one, Krishna Cottage was a movie or serial.
Yes.
Oh, Ahat, yes. Oh, yes.
Okay, so I'll read you a description of a movie that was back in 90s again, and you'll have to guess which movie was. Okay, it was a very famous movie. Okay, in order to see his little girl more often, a divorcee disguises himself as an old lady and gets a job as his own daughter's caretaker.
Yeah, I know this. I was waiting to answer this. Chachi 420.
Bagban.
Oh my god. Are there any options? Do I get options? Oh my god, this sounds a lot of like makdi, but I don't know. Oh, this is Chachi 420. Chachi 420.
I don't even know who was there in the movie.
Kamal Hassan.
Who's there?
Kamal Hassan.
मुझे हंसना आ रहा है यहाँ पे. कमल हसन को तो छोड़.
Yay! I want to see who lost. Yes.
ये भी कोई मजाक है. Who won the challenge then? Tell me. Is it Isha or Dev? Who's there?
See guys, I tried, okay? I tried my best. I have very little knowledge about anything at all in this world. So this will not make that much of a difference, but comparatively I think I answered really good questions. So it's okay, congratulations to you.
Thank you guys for watching. Come back again. Until then, do it with the ways.